In a world where housing is less accessible, people have to choose between what they want and what they can have. ConCave emerges as a beacon of hope, offering affordability and quality, compactness and beauty. Our design, inspired by nature, features the ConCave grid, a harmonious blend of practicality and artistry. Two volumes intertwine, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors, private and public, functionality and beauty. Driven by a commitment to accessibility, the ConCave concept adapts to create an option so everyone can live with dignity. We challenge ourselves to go beyond the norm, creating not just a home, but a community. ConCave Hollow, a riverside haven with parks, libraries, and playgrounds. ConCave, where quality meets affordability.